Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a homemade hair serum for frizzy hair that works just like a high quality branded hair serum. I have been using this hair serum for quite some time. It controls our frizzy hair, soothes it out, adds shine and protects our hair from damage. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. Also click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any important updates. So without further ado, let's just begin. To prepare this hair serum, we need a plastic or glass bowl. First you have to add 4 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. I'm using the fruit of the vocale 92% aloe vera gel here because it's my favorite. You can use any aloe vera gel you want. The next step is to add 4 teaspoons of rose water. I'm using versatile rose water here. First you have to mix both ingredients. Now add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use olive oil instead. And here I am using fresh drained coconut oil. Mix everything again until it's smooth like this. If you think the serum is too thick, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of rose water to achieve the desired consistency. To save the hair serum, we need a pump bottle. I am using an old foundation bottle here. I thoroughly washed and dried the bottle. Then I would transfer the hair serum into this cleaned foundation bottle and keep it safe. We can keep this hair serum at room temperature or in the fridge for about 2 to 3 weeks. The way to apply this serum: whenever you wash and condition your hair, take 1 or 2 pumps of this serum on your palm or according to your hair thickness and apply to damp or towel dry hair. And only use it on the length of your hair from the middle to the ends. It is not necessary to apply it all over your hair, particularly on top of your head. Then using a wide tooth comb, evenly distribute it throughout your hair and you are done. Do try this hair serum at least once. From the first application you will notice visible results. Your hair will be smooth, shiny and frizz free. Try it out and let me know how it went with your hair. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Don't forget to check out my website soniashaikhofficial.com. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.